Itadakimasu. So good. It's very crunchy on the outside.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Circular Space. Today we'll be making aloo tikkis with kine. First, boil the potatoes. You can cook them in a pan, pressure cooker, or in the microwave too. Let's put them aside to cool and make the stuffing. In a heated pan, add oil and onions. When the onions start to become transparent, add the ginger and the garlic and cook further. After cooking the ginger and the garlic for around 30 seconds to a minute, add the garam masala. If you don't have garam masala, you can use curry powder instead. Add salt and stir and the stuffing is ready, so set that aside. Let's work on the potatoes. If you have a potato masher, that's great. We use a grater, but the back of a fork also works. Once you have the potatoes mashed, add the remaining ginger and garlic, garam masala, salt and lemon juice, then mix it all together. Make sure the potatoes are cold, then add cornstarch and panko or breadcrumbs, then mix again. Now we want to use our hands to handle the potato mixture. Take a small handful to make a ball. Then, using your thumb, make a dent in the middle. Add your stuffing in the hole you created. Now, carefully bring the side of the potato mixture up and around to cover the stuffing. Press it down and there you have your patty. Do the same for the rest of the potatoes. Of course, you can use other ingredients inside. We use melting cheese as well. We needed a bit of a break with some Japanese sake, of course. Cheers! Once you have the patties ready, it is time to fry them. To shallow fry them, first add oil to the pan. Make sure it is an oil that is good with heat. We use canola oil. Once the oil is hot, add the patties to the pan. Cook them for a few minutes on each side or until golden brown. While they're cooking, let's make one of the sauces, raita. First, grate the cucumber, then add the yogurt, salt, lemon juice and turmeric powder and mix it all together. Super easy to make. We also had ketchup and tonkatsu sauce. Savory, sweet and tangy Japanese style barbecue sauce. I brought Wakanami sparkling sake. Sparkling refreshing taste sake goes very well with fried food as it washes away the oil. You can see from our faces how much we enjoyed it. Of course, the aloo tikkis were very delicious too. We also had ginger-infused sake. We heated it up to 50 degrees Celsius and had it with the aloo tikkis. As the aloo tikkis were hot, the hot drink went well together. Aloo tikkis also have ginger in them, so the ginger flavor of the sake matched well. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. See you next time. Kanpai!